Alright fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning and getting ready to throw some polish and wax on Ruby here. Just went around and wiped Ruby down, get a little bit of the dust off before I start. But I want to show you guys here, this is the products that I use. And I always give it a coat of the polish because you all know the polish actually repairs minor imperfections, scratches, stuff like that. Now I mean minor. That's what that's polish is for, is to repair the finish, and then the wax is to protect the finish. Just some food for thought, fellas. But that's what I always do. One coat of this and follow it up with a coat of liquid wax. Alright guys, I'm out here this morning and I'm doing some, let me sit down here. I got my 3D printer fired up. It's already 48% done. You can see here. It's about, excuse me, about an hour and 45-minute print. And I'll show you what I'm printing out because I printed one out yesterday. And boy, it came out really nice. Check this out. This is the 572 big block. And now this is actually two separate files that I purchased, but I combined the two on one platform here because the original is the 572 and it comes with a single 4-barrel intake, and there's the 4-barrel big old dominator, Holley dominator, and then you get this triangle air cleaner. And then I purchased the tunnel ram setup for this 572, and here they give you the intake with the carbs already on it if you want to do it that way, or they give you the intake by itself, and then here's the two carburetors, and there's the bug catcher if you want to do it that way. So I'm printing out a few of these. Well, these things are just killer. Guys, I mean the detail on this is just, let me get underneath the light here. The detail is just really nice. Look at all that fine detail. This thing prints out really nice. So I can get my hand back here so it's not, there you go. See the 572, the letters are just perfect. It just does a really good job, this printer that I've got. And the printer that I've got is the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. Really nice. Takes a little bit to get used to 3D printing and how to get it set up, and then once you get her, you know, your first couple weeks might be a little rough, but after that it's smooth sailing so far for me. I'll tell you what, once this warm weather hit, I haven't had an issue one with it. I think all my problems that I was having was in cold weather, so I might have been better off if I would have started in the summertime and got everything straightened out, because everything would have been fine. But guys, I got a little bit of the 55 Chevy, not a whole lot, but I got the engine and tranny glued together there, and I painted that with this Seymour's stainless steel finish. Oh, that stuff just, it looks real good. I like the looks of it. And then I painted the heads and the intake with this, to me, gloss aluminum. And I'm not sure, I may leave these valve covers as is, because it says, let me read here, it says Pontiac on it. I may just leave them chrome and black wash the name Pontiac there. I'm not really sure just yet, but just taking my time on this one here, and I think I'm going to do the headers. I'm going to spray paint those white. But guys, I'm having some fun with this 3D printing. Man, I just love how this stuff's coming out. It's just cool looking. Alright guys, I don't think I've got much more. I just wanted to give a little bit of a bench update on my 3D printing. Got it going this morning while I'm getting ready to work on Ruby, because we're headed to a car show on Sunday in Oakland City, Indiana. So guys, I think that's about all I've got. Alright, I'm done.